So we're going to do some fried rice today with okra, garlic, onions, coriander and cumin. Really simple, this one. Tastes fantastic. Vegetarian and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so this is super easy and delicious. I've got there 3 cups of cooked rice. Now, I always like to use cold rice. Hot and warm rice doesn't fry so well, I find. So that rice was cooked yesterday. It's been in the fridge. Here I've got 2 cups of okra. Now you can see this is a tiny little okra. This is called Okra Zero, which is the smallest size you can get it. If you don't have that and you want to use normal okra, just chop it into the size that you wish. Half a cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Bit of salt and pepper. Let's go. So I've got a wok or a pan. You're going to need some sort of skillet or something. I've got in there some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. It's quite high, the heat. In goes the onion and the garlic. And now our okra. High heat, 4 minutes. Keep it moving. So 4 minutes there. Now I'm going to get in some salt, some black pepper, 2 teaspoons of coriander, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, three cups of cold cooked rice. About 5 minutes now. Some people fry their rice for like a minute. You actually really want to fry the rice. Get a bit of colour on the rice. Stay on this high heat. You've done it. Hoping you can hear that. Frying rice, that is. Can you see we've got this sort of brownness here on the rice? Beautiful. Yeah, don't be shy to get some colour, browning or even blackening on your rice. It gives fantastic flavour. Job done. Okay, and there you go. Super, super easy, super tasty. Play around with the spices if you want. You can add some different spices. But yeah, another nice, easy fried rice, vegetarian and vegan. Keep well, keep safe. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.